What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. I'm going to be showing you today how I list products on Fulfillment by Amazon. I'm going to take you through the whole entire process. I've got a bunch of stuff that I need to send in, but I'm just going to show you the process. I'm not going to show you every one of these items that I'm going to send in. But the software that I'm going to be using today is Inventory Lab. I'm going to do a dedicated video on Inventory Lab at some point, maybe this week or next week. But the Inventory Lab is really good software if you have a lot of items that you're shipping off to Fulfillment by Amazon and you want to keep track of them and you want to see metrics and different things from each one of your pallets or whatever, however you're reselling your items. Inventory Lab is a really good tool to use. I'll also leave a link to it in the description section below. Also, there's a couple other things that make this process a lot easier. The first being this USB scanner. I got this on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description section below as well. But this Bluetooth scanner, or it's not Bluetooth, it's actually just a USB, but you connect the USB to your computer, but it's wireless, so you can take it anywhere. You can take it across your room, and you can have two people helping you with scanning things in. So USB scanner, you need one of these. Also, this Dymo Writer, Label Writer 450. I'm gonna get the camera and show you what I'm talking about. That little guy right there. It's a Dymo Label Writer 450. It prints off the perfect size stickable labels for Fulfillment by Amazon. So that's very important for you to use. And let me get the... All right, enough talking. Let's get to listing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you like maybe 3 items, how I package them and different things like that. So with that being said, I'm just gonna let the camera roll and I'm gonna go get the stuff and bring it over here and we'll start listing things. All right, so if you saw our latest video, you saw that we had these cotton full queen sheets, 625 thread count sheet sets that we could send to Fulfillment by Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the process of sending those. I have 5 of these, so it's gonna be pretty simple to do. The first thing I do is I go over here to Seller Central and I'll log in. All right, while that's logging in, I'll go ahead and I'll open up, I'll create a new batch. And I'll call this, I always leave the date in there, but then I'll put, bulk bed, bath, more. Bed, bath, and more palette. And we'll create that. All right, so we'll go ahead and get it into the box and hopefully all right, so we're going to start with these sheets here. We'll scan it in, it'll automatically pull it up. Make sure that these are all exactly the same. They are. All right, so we have 5 of these. So Inventory Lab go ahead and tells you what the list price is, what your net profit is. So our net profit for this is going to be $99.41. That's after fees and everything. So that's actually really good. So what I'll do is I go in here and I change the cost per unit, and I think it was like $11.25. That's close enough. So to actually show you what your actual profit is when you sell each and every one of these products. So we have 5 of these, and I'm gonna go ahead and add to batch. Now, as soon as I push add to batch, it'll automatically print off all of my labels that I can pull off and stick onto the duvet sheet set covers, whatever this is. All right, so once it prints off your labels, all you have to do is you take your item, you pull your labels off, and you put it over the barcode that comes on the actual product. So I'll do that for each one of these. All right, and that's it. That's the only thing that you have to do with those. Those are actually ready to go. It showed me that 4 of them are going to go to Memphis and 1 of them is going to go to DFW, wherever that is. Maybe that's Denver. But once I get everything processed, it'll break up all of the items to go to the different places. I just have to set up my shipments. It's going to be multiple boxes, and I know that. So it shows me right now that I have one SKU with 5 items. My total sales value is going to be $624.20. The buy cost was $56.25, and my total net profit after fees is going to be $444.55. Now I'm going to go ahead and process all of these items that I have. It may be, I don't know, 20 or so items, and I'll come back at the end to show you exactly how much profit we're going to be making from the stuff we're going to send to Amazon from this bulk.com Bed Bath & More pallet. All right, so after going through everything, this is everything that is going to Amazon. It is 34 SKUs, and it's a total of 48 items, and it is the total sales value. This is without fees, just the total sales value is $2,078.43. And then the total net profit after fees is going to be $1,346.65. So it's about $600 worth of fees to send all this in, but it's going to be worth it because of the $1,300 that I'm going to be getting from this stuff. I also went through everything else up here on the shelf. Hold on. I'm gonna carry y'all with me here for a second. All right, so I also went through all of the rest of the stuff. This is the stuff that we'll have to list on eBay and on Facebook Marketplace. Some of the stuff we already have, I do still have to list all this stuff and a couple things down here at the bottom. But I went through and I priced everything, and all of this stuff together is going to be $1,829. Actually, it's going to be $1,924 for all of these things. And hopefully we'll get all these listed by the weekend, and we'll have them available for sale. So the grand total of everything after I listed everything and minus all of the fees is going to be $3,175.65. And remind you, we only paid $464 for this pallet plus $200 shipping. So I think that's a really good value for all this stuff from bulk.com. So I will see you guys on the next one.